Now we'll look at part of step 3, which is the size of the air terminals. And first we need to know how many air terminals are needed, how much area those will cover, and the CFM for each of those terminals. And if I have multiple spaces or multiple rooms, I need to do that for each one. Okay, and there's a little bit of going around and around. I'll just try to do this one in a simple manner, just to give it an idea. So first of all, how many terminals are needed? Let's go back to my site plan, my floor plan, and look at this, and let's just see how big this is. Not too big. It looks like it's about 20 by 20. So I'm gonna guess that I'm gonna put one right in the middle. So I'm just gonna guess, just through some experience and some knowledge, that I'm just gonna use one terminal in that space. So now I have to figure out the throw. The throw is how far the air will travel. Okay, to do that, I need to know the elevation. I need to know a little bit more from here. Let's look at this. Looks like I'm going to have a ceiling at 8 foot. Probably move that down to 8 foot. Get this to be a little bit more normal. So I'm going to have an 8-foot register. So let's go back and look at that. My register will be at 8 feet. And then it's going to go 10 foot sideways to each wall. And then I got to guess how far down I want the air to really go and mix. Usually it's to where somebody will sit. So I'll go down 8 feet, another 3 feet. So that'll give me a total throw of 13 feet. Now I need to know that space size. How do I get that? Well, one really good way to do it is make a space. Okay, that's go to the Analyze tab, make a space while you're in level 1. And let's see, space. There it is. It's already there. So if I can find that space somehow. Let me look at the space. And it'll tell me the area. Now, 380 square feet. Let me plug that in. 180. Oh, and there it goes. It tells me. And I only have one, so I can blank all these out, or I can just leave them alone. So I need 475 CFM for that space. I don't know why I've got this. 0.95. Oh, it's 1.25 times my 380 gives me 475. So it calculates it all for you. This is really the one that you need to plug in. How many terminals? Figure out your throw. Now what I'm doing there is I'm going, if I put one in the middle, it'll go out 10 feet to the wall, and so it has to cover all the way to the wall and then down to where somebody might be sitting. So I said that was about another 3 feet. Could be 4. Okay, so that is how to determine how many terminals are needed. It's a guess. You just look at it, figure out your throw, figure out the area, and calculate, although the spreadsheet does it for you, CFM for each space.